do that again. Ping test -t -l 1000. Do this as many times as you can do. Now let us see what is the difference and what we have acquired. I'm pressing Ctrl C to stop this command. And what important thing about this is we will notice this time it has given us 242 average and 1% loss. So we will note it down, 242 ms and loss 1%. Now let us go to this one. It says the average is 239 ms and loss 0%. Let's go to this. It says average is 249 ms and loss is 2%. Let us note that. And the last one, the average is 238 ms and loss 0%. So let's conclude our results. 228 ms was the actual latency of that website. Then what we did, we started to request that website with a heavy load of 1 kilobyte, and then its performance is decreased. As you can see, 242, 239, 240, 238, which has an average of 240, which means we have successfully decreased the performance of website. Then the actual loss of packets was 0%, and after our attack we have increased the loss by average of 0.75%. In this case we were sending 4 simultaneous packets. If we increase this number to 400 and if we increase the load from 1 kilobyte to 1 megabyte, we can significantly decrease the performance of any particular website. This was the denial of service attack. Thank you.